June 28th, 1998 is when I started at TPC.
Yeah. Cut that part out.
We'll be talking over each other.
We do anyway, so.
I got excused from the trial. That's good.
Do we really want to talk about this? All right, important stuff to know about wire and cable. Let's roll.
Yeah.
And I think as time has gone on, a lot of other materials have improved dramatically. That's why we moved into the Trexonics line with polyurethane materials, with fluoropolymers, things like that. So materials have come a long way in terms of technology. I think the rubbers for the products that we have them involved with, which is the portable cord, which is power cable, which is weld cable, I think in those areas they still excel, just because of the nature of the materials. But again, there's a lot of great materials that have evolved over time, and whether it's the TPRs, the TPEs, the fluoropolymers, even the PVCs have come a long way in terms of improving their overall performance. But I think we still have a very good product line, just in terms of the way it's perceived in the marketplace, and also the way it performs in the marketplace.
To add on to that, when we talk about a comparison between a rubber product and a thermoplastic product, where depending upon the application and the industry you're working with, if you're using a thermoplastic product, sometimes you can put smaller wall thicknesses in. It helps reduce the diameter of the cable, makes it a better offering, should I say, for reeling applications and cables under tension if you can put the appropriate strength member inside the cable. So I think we didn't have those when I first came on board, and we've developed those, and I think they've taken off and been a really good part of our product line.
Yeah, that's a great point. It just made me think with all the industrial automation. When I started, you had, very few cables, and now you have, 10, 15, 20 times that many because of the automation. So space is at a premium in a lot of these plants. So by going to the thinner insulations, the thinner jacket walls, you can put a lot more cables in the same spaces you used to put just a very few number because of the size. So yeah, that technology has really helped that quite a bit. So.